Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Archana Sharma. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe so that you can learn from my further videos. Also click the bell icon so that you can get the notifications. So without any delay, let's start for today's topic. Today's topic is mode. I have already explained the mean in my previous video. Today we'll be learning mode from the statistics part. So what is mode? Mode is nothing but most frequently occurring data. So in this example, what do we need to do is just we need to arrange the observations in the ascending order. First ascending order. So after arranging in ascending order, you will be getting 0, 1, 3 2s, then 2 3s, 1 4, 1 5 and 1 6. This is the arrangement of these numbers in the ascending order. Now you need to find how many times each number is repeated. 0 is repeated 1 time, 1 is repeated 1 time, 2 is repeated 3 times, 3 2 times, 4 5 6 all 1 time. So the number which is repeated many times is considered as mode. So here the mode is 2. This is for ungrouped data, but whenever you are given some group data, like whenever you are given some intervals, you need to use this formula to find the mode. The formula is L plus f1 minus f0 by 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. This is very easy, friends. Don't panic by seeing such big formula. Just remember that. Now we need to fill this table. So we already learned in main we have a column called class marks which is represented by xi. Here this means the mid value of this boundaries. This is the lower boundary, the upper boundary and their middle value. So 10 plus 25 by 2 is 17.5. Keep on adding 15 to it, you will be getting 32.5, 47.5, 62.5, 77.5 and 92.5. Now we need to multiply these values. We'll get fi xi. This is similar to the mean process. So we'll be getting 35, 97.5. 7 into 47.5 is 332.5. This is 375.0, 465.0 and 555.0. So whenever we add all these values, we will be landing at 1860. And thus the number of students are 30. So now we will be applying this formula. I'll explain you this formula in detail. It's L plus f1 minus f0 by 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. So each of the terms will be seeing, friends. Here L is the lower boundary. Check it here, friends. Wherever the number of students are highest, this is 7. Here the range of marks are achieved by 7 students, that is 40 to 55. This range of marks 7 students have achieved. So this is the highest value among this. So the model class is 7th class, that is 40 to 55. First we need to find the model class. After finding the model class, the lower boundary, L is the lower boundary, which is we have 40 to 55. So 40 is the lower boundary. So L value is 40. Next, what is the value of h? This is h. H is the class size. We already saw this in mean. Class size is 15, friends, because subtract any of these higher boundaries value, you will be getting 15. 55 minus 40 or 40 minus 25. Each value is 15. So frequency of model class. So this is the model class, friends. Its frequency is nothing but 7. This is denoted by F1. So F0 is nothing but above class frequency, which is 3. F2 is nothing but the below class frequency, which is 6. So 7, 3, 6. 7 is F1, F0, F1, F2. F0, F1 and F2. These are the 3 values. So just substitute the formula to find the mode. Mode is L plus, what is L? 40 plus F1 minus F0. F1 minus F0 is 4 by 2 F1 F0. This 2 into F1 is 7 minus F0 is 3 minus 6 into 15, which is nothing but 40 plus 12 is 52. So this is the mode, friends. The mean value was 62 because I used the same table to find the mode. The mean value was 62 and now we got the mode as 52. So maximum number of students achieved the marks 52 and on average each student got 62 marks. So what can we predict from mean and mode are maximum students achieved. The value is nothing but mode, which is 52 marks, and on average marks achieved by students are mean, which is 62, which I already explained in my previous video. Please check the previous video so that you can understand how did I get this 62. Thank you guys. Hope you like my video. Do subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.